Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So in this video I will be telling you guys how you can sync your Amazfit data with the Google Fit app, which is one of the most popular fitness apps you will be getting right now in the Play Store. So as we all know that Google is really good in making softwares, and in case of the Google Fit app, we can say this is one of the best fitness apps you will be getting right now. And this Google Fit app, you can sync it with any of the Amazfit watch. Whatever data will be collected and whatever the workouts you will be doing, all the data can be synced to this Google Fit app. And this will not only work with the Amazfit Gts 2 Mini, it will work with any of the Amazfit watch. And there are multiple methods in which you can sync the data from the Amazfit watch to the Google Fit app. So in this video we will be discussing how you can sync the data to the Google Fit app, what are the methods in which you can sync, the features in the Google Fit app which are really good, and at the same time how you can make this Google Fit app as your standalone app for tracking fitness with the Amazfit watch. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is one of the best smartwatch you will be getting in the budget right now, and this watch can collect your entire fitness data and sync it across the Google Fit app along with the Zepp app and other fitness apps. Google Fit app has its own features, so as in terms of software, Google is one of the best in making software, and in terms of the fitness tracking, this is one of the best apps you will be getting. So first of all, to sync the data, you have to connect first with the Zepp app, which is the official app for the Amazfit watches. So once you have connected it, you have to also install the Google Fit app obviously. And first of all, once you install the Google Fit app, you have to do some basic changes in this Google Fit app to track the data. First of all, you have to come to this profile section and you will be getting this settings option in there. So here you have to scroll down and you will be getting the option of track your activities. You have to disable it because this is the option which tracks your activities with the phone sensor. So we don't want the activities which are tracked by your phone sensors interfering with the data of your smartwatch. So we will be disabling this first, and then we will be configuring some of the options, like the spoken announcement should be off as we are not using the Google Fit app on our phone, and the coaching messages you can turn off also, as we will be syncing the data from the watch. So these are the basic steps you need to do first, and once you have done that, you have to come to the Zepp app, which is the official app for the Amazfit watches. And in the Zepp app, you have to come to the profile section. In the profile section, you will be getting the option of add account. So this is the option you have to use to add the Google Fit account to your Zepp app. So here you will see that the Google Fit app has been added, and if it is not there, you have to update the Zepp app. So here the Google Fit app will be there, and in the Google Fit app you have to come and give the username. So in the username option, you have to give the username and password and log in with the Google Fit app details in the Zepp app. So once you have done that, you will be ready to sync whatever data this watch collect with the Zepp app, and the Zepp app will be transferring the data to the Google Fit app. So obviously you have to make sure you are giving the correct credentials here, and with the same credentials you have to log into the Google Fit app. So I have given the same credentials in both the places so that it can sync the data. And once you have done any of the workout or any of the walking or any of the activities, you will be seeing that the data will be automatically synced with the Google Fit app. So syncing will take some time. If you want to see whether the syncing has happened or not, you have to come to the second icon, which is the journal icon, and here all the details of your activities will be there. And here you can see that my Zepp app has been connected to the Google Fit app, and it is written that from Zepp the data has been synced. So I have gone for a light walk, and you can see that I have got some heart points which the Google Fit app gives whenever you will be doing the activities. And if I click on there, you will be getting a lot of other details also. So here you can see when I have done the activity and the active time, the distance I have traveled, the energy I have expended, and my move minutes and heart rate at the same time. and how much steps I have taken and how much hard points I have collected. All the details will be synced, and as soon as it is synced, it will also give you the hard points along with it, and also you will be getting all the activity completion notifications and goal completion notifications in the Google Fit app. So here you can also track your heart rate, whatever heart rate was there while you were doing the activity. So all the heart rate data has been tracked, and your pace will also be there. So this is my pace. So all the data has been synced, and whenever you will be doing the activity, the data will be synced in there. This is the way how you can sync all the data to Google Fit app, and the data collected by the Google Fit app will not interfere with the data which is collected via your phone, as we have switched off the tracking of fitness data via the phone, and all the data will be genuine and only be synced via the Amazfit smartwatch. So this is how you can track the data and sync it to the Google Fit app. And there is another option also. So another option is via the third-party app, which is the Notify app, and with the Notify app also you can sync the data. So for this you have to come to the settings option. So here is the settings option. You can see once you are in the settings option, you will be seeing a lot of options in there. So you don't need to do anything here. You have to just scroll to the right, and you will be getting the advanced tab. In the advanced tab, all the options will be there for syncing, and here you will find that the Google Sync auto sync option will be also there. So the Google Fit auto sync option is there to sync the data from the smartwatch to the Google Fit app. And here what you can do is you can set the interval after how many minutes the data will be auto synced from your smartwatch to the Google Fit app. So I will prefer to keep it 10 minutes, or if you want to sync it a little bit more slowly, you can keep it to 1 hour. It is your choice. So after every 10 minutes the data will be automatically synced to the Google Fit app from the Notify app, and this is how you can track all the data and sync it to the Google Fit app by any means if you are not using the Zap app. So these are the two ways with which you can sync the data from the smartwatch, which is your Amazfit Gts 2 Mini, to the Google Fit app. And as I have seen, the data synced with the Google Fit app is really accurate, and the Google Fit app has its own features also which are really good. Like you can get hard points according to the steps and activity you will be doing, which will keep you motivated, and at the same time it will give you some really good goal achievement notifications, and also it will give you some really important notifications regarding the achievements you can make. So if you can see here, I can get detailed analysis of whatever hard points I have collected and whatever steps I have taken in the days and in the week and in the month. And also you will be able to see that whatever the goal accomplishment I have achieved, all the things will be displayed in a really good manner and really good way in this app. In your daily goals, you will be seeing that in the week how many times I have achieved the goals, and my weekly target, you can see how many hard points I have collected and how much I need to go. So it will keep you motivated, and it is a really good app. So I will recommend you to keep the Google Fit app on your phone and sync the data from the Amazfit watch. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you how you can sync data from the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini to the Google Fit app. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.